Hey there, I'm Lindsay. I wanted to pop on here and show you a quick little exercise that you can weave into your day if you're feeling like you need a little bit of a reset. So this is a vagus nerve reset. Vagus nerve is said to be the grandfather nerve of your parasympathetic nervous system. And so what you want to do is you'll take your fingers, interlace them, and place them at the back of your skull, just like that. And you're going to lie down on your back. I like to have my knees bent and tented against one another just to take any strain off the low back and off the spine. So your elbows will go out nice and wide, and the heels of your hands are going to cup the back of your head so you can feel into that kind of bony surface at the back of your head. You don't want to be pressing on right behind your ears. You want to come in a little bit closer. And then you'll lie back, and with your eyes only, not your head, you're going to look as far as you can over to the right side and continue nice soft breaths through your nose. And while you're looking over to the right, as far as you can, you might get the urge to swallow or sigh, or maybe even a yawn happens. And when that happens, you can come back to center. And it might take up to a minute, maybe even 2 minutes. And then you can, once that happens, you return your eyes back to the midline. And then you can go over to the other side. And again, as far as you can to the left, waiting, not seeking, not trying to analyze if it's going to happen, but just focusing on your breath and then allowing that swallow, sigh, yawn to happen as your body is ready. And then you can return your gaze back to the midline. And you can finish off by some nice abdominal breaths. So that's a great little tool to incorporate into your day. Thanks for listening.